हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं स्टैंडर्ड 4th का इंग्लिश का लेसन नंबर 35 द किंग ऑफ द गोल्डन रिवर के क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट, डिस्क्राइब द फॉलोइंग इन अ शॉर्ट। ए ट्रेजर वैली। आंसर, इट ऑलवेज रेन्ड इन द ट्रेजर वैली। द winds and the clouds made the crops green, the hay high, the apples red and the grapes purple and the honey sweet. B. Southwest wind is square. Answer, the strange gentleman was Southwest wind is square. He was very short with a large nose, red cheeks, curly mustache and merry twinkling eyes. He wore a conical cap and cloak 4 times long. C. The Black Brothers. Answer, Hans and Squads were called as the Black Brothers by the people of the valley. They were wicked farmers and killed everything that was not profitable to them. They did not treat their servants well and gave them a poor wage. D. Gluck. Answer, he was the youngest of the 3 brothers. He was only 12 years old. He was kind to every living thing. He did all the cooking and the mending and the housework for his brothers. E. The golden mug. Answer, the golden mug was very beautiful and belonged to the Gluck. His uncle had given it to him when he was a baby. He was very fond of the mug and used to drink both milk and water from it. A strange bearded face was delicately carved on the mug. Second, which of the character in the story do you like the most? If you could meet that character in the person, what questions would you ask? Answer, I like the character of Gluck the most in the story. If I could meet the character of Gluck in the person, I would ask him, first, will you be my friend? Second, how can you be so nice and good to everyone? Third, what is your aim in life? And fourth, what do you wish for yourself? Question 3. Which of the events in the story do you like the most? Write about that event in a few lines. Answer, the like the most was the event where the Black Brothers were swept away with a rolling pin by a stranger into the corner. The stranger was actually the Southwest wind square. I wonder how the Black Brothers must have felt to be defeated by the short stranger. They were bad in the behavior with others and therefore they got a good lesson. Question number 6. Discuss the following questions in the class by forming a group. A. Was the Southwest wind a kind person? Answer, the Southwest wind was a kind person to those who were good to him. But if someone did not treat him well, he would get angry and punish him. B. Why did the king of the Golden River tell Gluck a secret? Answer, the king of the Golden River told Gluck a secret because Gluck had freed him from the magic spell. C. Why did Gluck decided to go to the top of the mountain? Answer, Gluck decided to go to the top of the mountain because his brothers had gone there and did not came back. Question 7. Make a list of your favorite stories. Answer, my favorite stories are first, The 3 Bears, second, Panchatantra stories, third, Jungle Book, and fourth, Rapunzel. Okay student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Then do like, comment and share. And for more such a video, subscribe to Study Spark Tutorials. We will meet in the next video. Till that, keep learning.